Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will show you how I made these donuts. Without wasting much of your time, let's commence with the video. I will be using 250 ml of warm milk, followed by 7 grams of dry yeast, 1 whole egg. Then I will whisk everything together. I am using 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then I will mix everything together. I added 50 grams of softened butter. Sprinkle some flour on your working area. Drop the dough and start kneading until the dough is very soft. Yeah, the dough is supposed to be soft so that at the end you will get a soft donut. Place the dough in an oiled bowl and cover to rest for 35 minutes in a warm place. Sprinkle some flour on the parchment papers to avoid the dough sticking to it. This is our dough after resting for 35 minutes. I will stretch the dough and cut it into equal pieces. Then I will start molding them. Make sure that they are well sealed. You can see that it is well sealed. Repeat the same with the remaining dough. I will sprinkle some flour on top of them and cover to rest for 35 minutes in a warm place. These are our donuts after 35 minutes of proofing. Preheat your oil and start dropping the donut. Make sure that the oil is not too hot. Fry both sides for 3 minutes on medium heat. It is now time to take them out from the oil. In here I have some powdered milk. It is time to coat our donuts with powdered milk. Yeah, you can decide to leave the white lines, but I decided to coat everything with powdered milk. For the filling, I'll be using 150 ml of condensed milk, 60 grams of powdered sugar. Then I will mix together. This is perfect. I will now transfer the filling into a piping bag. Make holes into the donuts. It is now time for us to fill the donuts. I will fill the remaining ones with strawberry filling. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share to your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.